Hello students, welcome to Nelson English School, Standard 4th, Subject Computer. Chapter 2, Storage in Computer System. One of the major advantages of computer system is its huge data storage capacity that makes it a unique machine. A computer, being an electronic device, stores and processes everything in the form of electronic data values. So, before we start with storage devices, let us learn how the data is represented in computer system. On the right hand side is shown a computer system. Data representation in computer. Computer, being an electronic device, understands the language of electricity, which can be either on or off. The on mode is represented as 1 while off mode is represented by 0. Computer understands only two digits, that is 1 or 0. These two digits are known as binary digits or bits. Binary digits or bits, that is 0 or 1, are shown in the figure. Bit is the smallest unit of data in computer. To represent users' data in computer, bits are combined together to form character codes. Combination of 8 bits make a byte. See as shown in example 01010110 together form 1 byte, which equals 8 bits. So 1 byte is used to represent one character of data. So computer data is represented in form of bits and bytes. There are various memory units used to measure the large amount of data. Memory units. 8 bits equals 1 byte. 1024 bytes equals 1 kilobyte. 1024 KB equals 1 megabyte. 1024 MB equals 1 gigabyte. 1024 GB equals 1 terabyte. 1024 TB equals 1 petabyte. 1024 PB equals 1 exabyte. 1024 EB equals 1 zettabyte. 1024 ZB equals 1 yottabytes. These are some of the memory units. Next is types of memory units. Computer memory can be of two types: primary memory or main memory and secondary memory. See, in the figure it is shown that computer memory has two types: primary memory, secondary memory, and then they are further divided into various types. First, primary memory. Primary memory can also be known as internal or main memory of the computer. Data in this memory is stored in form of bits, that is 0 and 1. So, CPU can directly read from and write on this memory. There are two types of primary memory: RAM, RAM, and ROM, ROM. First is RAM, also known as random access memory, which is its full form. This is a temporary electronic memory, so the information stored in it is lost as soon as we switch off the power supply. That's why it is also called volatile memory. It stores the user's data and instructions along with the results produced by the system. A RAM is shown in the figure. Second is ROM, read only memory. This is a permanent electronic memory. In this, the startup instructions for the computer are stored permanently in form of binary digits. It holds these instructions even after the power supply is switched off. Means the data or the instruction will not be erased after we switched off the power supply. These instructions cannot be overwritten but can be read by the system only. That's why it is called non-volatile memory. A ROM is shown in the figure below. Second type of computer memory is secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as external memory and is used to store users' data permanently for later use. It holds the information till it is erased or changed. This is used to store all the software to be used in the files which we create using this software. We can have fixed or portable storage devices which can be used as needed. There are various types of secondary memory devices. First one is hard disk. Hard disk is one of the main storage device fixed inside the CPU box. It has huge storage capacity which can range from 500 GB to 10 TB or even more. It is actually made up of multiple metallic discs coated with magnetic material. These discs are known as platters. Information on this disk is recorded on both the sides in the form of concentric circles called tracks, which are further divided into sectors. On the left hand side figure it is shown hard disk, and on the right hand side figure shows platters, track and sectors. Second type of secondary memory is compact disk, or which we call CD. It is a thin plastic disk coated with reflective metal. Data in this disk is stored optically. Its storage capacity is up to 700 MB and can store variety of data like pictures, movies, sound, etc. To read the data stored on a CD, we need to insert it into a CD drive. Below, left hand side shown is a CD, and on the right hand side is a CD drive in which we insert a CD. Types of CD. CDs can be of different types. First is CD-ROM. In this, data is recorded at the time of manufacturing which cannot be erased or changed. Second is CD-R. These are the recordable CDs on which data can be stored but only once. Third is CD-RW. These are rewritable disks and their data can be changed anytime if needed. See, on the right hand side, first is figure which is shown is CD-ROM. Second is CD-R, and third is CD-RW. Next is digital versatile disc, which we known as DVD. These are also the optical storage devices like CDs, but their storage capacity is very high. A single layered DVD can store up to 4.7 GB of data, whereas a double sized double layered DVD can store up to 17.08 GB of data. These are mainly used to store high quality videos and audio files. A DVD is shown below. Next is a flash drive. This is an electronic storage device and is popularly known as pen drive. It is a plug and play device and can be easily connected to the system through USB, Universal Serial Bus port. That's why it is also known as USB flash drive. Because of its small size and reliability, it has replaced the floppy and CD drives in computer system. Its storage capacity can range from 1 GB to 1 TB. A flash drive is shown in below figure. Next is a Blu-ray disc BD. This is a new invention in field of optical storage devices. Its storage capacity can range from 25 GB to 50 GB and can store audio and video data of very high quality. These are also scratch resistant discs and can safely store the data for a long time. As they use blue violet light to store the data, these are named as Blu-ray disc. A Blu-ray disc is shown below. Next is a memory stick. This is a removable flash memory card, also known as multimedia card. It is high capacity and high speed storage device generally used in mobiles, camera, tablets, PlayStations, etc. Its storage capacity can range from 1 GB to 512 GB. A memory card is shown below. This will be our last topic. Thank you.